Good morning, guys. Welcome to the video. It is Saturday morning. Today we're filming another full day of eating. So sit back, relax, and hope you enjoy the show. Hey guys, welcome back to the video. And what is going on with my hair today? It is still pretty early. It's only 9:45 in the morning. Got my coffee. And here's my boy Mateo. I was gonna say here's my big boy Mateo, but that's kinda
I was gonna kiss.
yeah, you gotta look at the camera.
I'm looking.
So anyways, that's how I like to start my day. It's my coffee, drink a ton of water, and I like to push my first meal later on in the afternoon. And today we're going to be making,
Pancakes!
yes, we're going to be making our protein pancakes. So that's going to be a lot of fun. So I'll catch you in the next video, and we'll be in the kitchen making
Pancakes!
yes. Alright guys, see you later. 1 p.m. in the afternoon, and we're on our way to get the essentials for the pancakes, right?
Yeah!
We're on our way to Walmart, and I'll take you along with us, and I'll see what we get. Alright, see you. Welcome back to the vlog. It is 4 in the afternoon. Just got back from the grocery store. Still fasted, longer than usual today, but sometimes those things just happen. Getting kind of hungry, so we're here getting ready to prepare meal number 1. And alright, so step number 1, don't forget to heat up your pan, and you're going to spray it a bit with some Pam. You're going to take the liquid egg whites. You're going to have to weigh everything out. Make sure you're at 0 and make sure you're at grams. You go 185 grams. Okay. After the egg whites, we're going to put in the whey protein. Now you can use any whey protein you like, whatever flavor. This flavor here is chocolate caramel pretzel from My Protein, my favorite. And we're going to put 1 scoop, which should be around 28 to 30 grams. Put a bit more. Next, we're going to put in 5 grams of Hershey's cocoa powder. Put some baking powder. We're going to add some espresso, instant. Give it a little bit of an extra coffee taste. Cinnamon. You don't have to weigh these things, just put a little bit. If you like more cinnamon, you put more. If you like more coffee flavor, put more. Can't get it open. There's already a teaspoon in there, so put about a teaspoon of cinnamon. Next, we're going to add whole wheat Weight Watcher bread, 4 slices. If you don't want to use the bread, you can use 80 grams of oats, but I find with the bread makes it more of a soft, more cakey feel. Everyone seems to like it. Plus, you get 4 grams of fiber for 2 slices. Put in 4 slices of bread. Next, we're going to add some stevia. And the same thing with this. Put in a little bit, not too much. Should be it. And that's it. So now we're going to put the cover, we're going to blend it. And you're going to see, depending on the whey protein you use, if you see that it's too thick, you could just add a bit more liquid. You could put some vanilla extract, you could put a bit of water, you could put a bit more liquid egg whites. So put the cover on. This is going to be a bit loud, and we're going to go blend it. Alright, take the cover off, the blade. Okay, now this should make mochi. It should make about 3 or 4. Two. 3. Oh, this batch might make about 5 or 6. Right. Put that on the side. Now you don't want to overcook them, but you want to make sure that when you slide the spatula, dog's going crazy. Alright, so almost. What should you do it? Alright, so it's about ready. 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect. That blade. That's it. So you don't want to overcook them, too dry on the inside. Looks good. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pancakes. Another one here. Let's make 5 pancakes. A little tiny one right there. Alright. Down at the side. I don't know if you could see this, but look. Yeah. Very thick. Very cake-like. This one. Syrup. Perfect. There you have it. There's the protein pancakes. Okay, we're gonna get the toppings ready. I'll see you in a bit. Alright, so here you have it. The protein pancakes. So what I did was I added some bananas, peanut butter, and some light whipped cream. And put some syrup. And a bit of sea salt. Alright. Do a quick taste test for the camera. You ready? Get some syrup, some whipped cream. really taste that sea salt. So moist, look at that. And that's from the bread. It's still good with oats, but it's a little bit more moist when you use the bread. Alright. So try that out. Let me know down in the comments if you guys liked it, or let me know how you guys make your pancakes. But I've been making these for probably a year and a half now, and I eat them at least 3-4 times a week. I change the fruit on top. I don't always use bananas. Sometimes I use berries. I tried peaches, but nothing beats banana with peanut butter, sea salt, maple syrup, and yeah. So let me go finish this. The macros are going to be at the end of the video, but off the top of my head, it's around calorie-wise, it's around 500-600 calories. Plus another 100 for the banana and peanut butter. So it's a pretty heavy meal. It's my first meal of the day. So I have a lot of catching up to do. Alright, so I'll see you in the next clip. Hey guys, so now I'm going to show you my last meal of the day. Here I have 2 homemade pizzas. I got pita bread. I got extra lean ground beef, mushrooms, cheese, arugula. And on the side, I'll be having a bag of chips. Crispy minis, macros are pretty good. 450 calories per bag. I've been very, very busy today. I have a lot of catching up to do. It's actually almost midnight, and I've only eaten like 600 calories. So this total meal is around 1,100 calories. And yeah, I actually still have another 1,000 calories to eat, believe it or not. So I'll catch you in the next meal. Or snacks. Probably a bunch of snacks. We'll see later. Hey guys, it is currently 1 a.m. in the morning, and here I have my final meal of the day. So this will end it. This is about 1,000 calories of Greek yogurt, banana, cereal, topped with whipped cream, some strawberries, and I am going to enjoy this. So that will wrap up my full day of eating. The total number of calories, 2,600 calories today, 291 grams of carbs, 67 grams of fat, and 228 grams of protein. So like I said, I had a busy day today. I normally don't eat this late, but things happened today. Actually, my computer crashed this afternoon, so I was trying to figure out, I was trying to fix the problem all afternoon, so I didn't get to eat my second meal right? So like I said, things happen, but anyways, I'm going to wrap up the night, I'm going to wrap up the video. Please don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you next time. Hope you all enjoyed the video. Have a great night.